Facebook has announced the official rollout of its new desktop redesign that brings dark mode, tabbed home screen, a cleaner profile and more. As cited in a report, Facebook says the majority of its users around the world will now have access to the new desktop design of the platform. They will have a choice to turn on the redesign before it becomes the default for everyone later this year. To recall, Facebook revealed its plans for a major redesign coming to the desktop in April last year. The social media company in a statement to TechCrunch said, "Starting today, the majority of people on Facebook will have access to the new desktop design. These users will be able to test the new Facebook redesign by clicking on the Switch to New Facebook option, which will be present right below Settings. To do that, click on the downward-facing arrow icon present at the corner in the top bar greater than select Switch to New Facebook. In case if a person doesn't fancy the new design, then it can also be disabled by clicking on the downward-facing arrow icon present at the corner in the top bar followed by selecting Switch to Classic Facebook. Do note that even if one uses the redesign or not, this will become the default for everyone later this year. The changes and features available in the new Facebook redesign include a cleaner layout, dark mode, centralized tabs for Facebook Watch, Marketplace, Groups and Gaming, as well as larger fonts. As we mentioned above, Facebook initially announced about a major desktop redesign coming to the platform in April last year.